The dental implant is the best alternative to replace your natural teeth. It replaces the root of a missing tooth and then the crown that we put on. It can be a single implant or multiple implants. The purpose of doing implant versus bridge is we have to do with a single implant, we only have to deal with one tooth without having to cut the adjacent teeth. With multiple units, with the bridge, in the bridge cases, is that we only deal with those implants. We're not attaching implants to natural teeth. So for patients who are wearing dentures for so many years and they're having trouble chewing and the denture is flopping all over, we can certainly put implants for you, and we build the bridge on top of it so it's a part of you. You don't have to worry about removing it. You'll be able to enjoy the food that you have not been able to eat, like corn on the cob, eating steaks, being able to enjoy the taste that you weren't able to when you have full denture. Here at Amazing Smile, we are more than delighted to address your issues with single implant, with multiple units, and also we can offer you a fixed prosthesis that you will enjoy for years to come. Set up a consultation. Let's see what Amazing Smile can do for you.